Hey friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. In today's video, I am going to make very easy Ammavaru Alankarana using a fish bowl and yarn. Here I am using glue gun to attach yarn to the bowl. First, I am gonna attach the wool to the smooth bowl surface using glue gun. Later, I am gonna add one more round of the wool so that it will cover all the glue marks. Here I'm using some black fabric and a hair bun. Just using a rubber band, I'm gonna tie the bun with the black fabric. Here I have classical hair dance bun. I'm gonna attach the black bun and this one together and use some glue to attach it to the decor. Very easy Ammavaru's Alankarana is ready. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.